Hello, my name is Liberty, and I just wanted to tell you about a great side hustle that I just found a couple weeks ago. It's called Cliqly. It's a great email marketing program where you just send off emails that are already pre-written, and you send them off to people who have opted in to these to receive these emails. And it takes about 10 or 15 minutes a day, and I get paid around the clock. It's basically I'm making about $10 a day, sometimes more, but always at least $10. And it's a great little side hustle. It doesn't take much time. It also has a referral program if you want to dabble in a little affiliate marketing. If you sign up a referral, another person who wants to make money by just clicking, and they upgrade to the Cliqly Pro after their free week, you get 100% commission. It's a great deal. I recommend it to anybody who wants an extra $300 plus a month. Thanks.